Barry King in Pretoria, not in KwaZulu-Natal. Barry not here in Biggie's house. You know what I'm saying? Barry gonna be a king in Pretoria. What be doing? You know what I'm saying? So what happening here? I think they fighting for what do you call this? A chair? What do you call? I forgot the term when you're fighting for a chair. Not a crowd. A crow. A what? I forgot. A troll. I forgot. Anyway, they're fighting for that. You know. Ofentse says I'm a king here. Oh, and then who's this guy? Bravo B says nah. I'm the king on my own. You know what I'm saying? But actually, I think they're not fighting for that. We all know why they're fighting. You know, because of Tracy. It's Tracy or what her name? Yeah, they're fighting for that. You know, remember Bravo B, he knows what he knows, but he don't wanna come out that hey you guys, you know. And then Bravo Ofentse is also, you know, like okay, I see you are getting close with Tracy, so therefore you guys, there's something going on between the two of you. You know what I'm saying? So that's what is really happening. And Tracy should come out, you know, and say, hey guys, I'm playing you, you know, so that all this can come to an end, you know, because now these boys are fighting, you know, but it's entertaining, man. This is what we want, you know, as viewers. This is what we want because we enjoy such thing, you know what I'm saying? So I love that Bravo B is being matured, and you know, and Bravo B is I think it's a rural area. Is a guy who comes from a village. Ofentse obviously come from, you know, in Pretoria, a development background, you know. So yeah, man, let's see where all this is going to lead us to. You know what I'm saying? So I really enjoy what I've been watching and laughing, you know, because Ofentse ended up laughing at them. Now they're like, yeah, look, he's laughing, because now he's kind of like King Wanda, King Bravo B, King Ofentse, you know. So, bro, I think also King Wanda is just putting a paraffin, you know, putting a paraffin there, putting a petrol there, so that the fire can, you know. And I'm saying, so yeah, man, it's been funny, bro, to watch it, because I don't wish them to fight, you know, physically, but I just enjoy the way exchanging words, you know. I love that. And then I also like what Bravo B said to Ofentse, that you are groups, you're creating groups, and you talk about, which is true.